Today is February 12, 2020. Now to show you how this thing works. First, the charger. Here's the charger port. I think this is a USB 2. There are two chargers for each battery. You need to charge each of them separately. So you need two of these. And it goes to a cell phone charger or a USB. See? One and then two. You need to charge both of them separately. Now this is the Arduino Uno. This is the SIM900 cell phone, GPS, GPRS. This is a Neo 6 GPS, and this is the proximity sensors. Okay, how to switch this thing on? First, there's a small switch here at the bottom. Just turn it on. Okay. Now the next you have to switch this SIM900 on. There's a hole here. Here. Yeah, okay. There's a hole here. Just press it 1 second. Okay. Two lights are up. When it starts blinking, it means it is detecting the network. Okay, you need a SIM card. You need to place a SIM card here, and then make sure that the SIM has a load so it can message you. Now the sensors. These are the bolts that should be bolted onto the car. And when the sensor senses the bolt inside this panel here, it will have two lights. Okay, it means it's bolted on the car. Now, if one of these things is taken out, see, one light went out, goes out, and now you hear the alarm. And when you hear the alarm, at the same time it will send a message to a number. So it will, right now it's sending message every 15 seconds. This is just for demonstration, or else it will take time for you if I do it 10 minutes or what. So but we can reset it to any time you want. So either of these two taken out, it will sound an alarm. Yeah, if it's bolted, it go back to its safe position. Same as here. Okay. And then it will send again the message and the position, so you can follow it. Okay, I think that's all.